Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Spoken English Podcast. In today's episode, you will learn easy English through a simple real-life story. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and improve your English every day. So, let's begin.
The rain stops after some time. The clouds begin to move away. The sky becomes clear. The sun comes out. The fresh air feels wonderful. I open the window again. A cool breeze enters the room. I take a deep breath. Everything looks clean. The leaves are shining. The flowers look beautiful. The birds start singing. I can hear happy sounds. I smile again. I feel peaceful. My little brother says,
"Let's play together."
I say, that's a great idea. We take a football. We go outside. The ground is still wet. We walk carefully. We laugh together. We play for a while. Then we feel tired. We sit on a bench. My father joins us. He tells us a funny story. We laugh loudly. Our mother calls us. She says, "Lunch is ready." We go back home. We wash our hands. We sit at the dining table. Everyone is smiling. My mother serves rice. She serves chicken curry. She serves vegetables. The food smells amazing. I eat happily. My brother eats quickly. My father smiles at us. We enjoy our lunch. After lunch, I drink a glass of water. I feel full. I thank my mother. She says, "You're welcome." Then I clean my plate. I help my mother. She feels happy. In the afternoon, I read an English story. I learn new words. I write them in my notebook. I read them again. I repeat every sentence. My pronunciation becomes better. I feel more confident. Then I watch the rainwater outside. Small birds are drinking water. Butterflies are flying. Everything looks peaceful. In the evening, I go for a short walk. The weather is cool. Many people are outside. In the evening, I go for a short walk. The weather is cool. Many people are outside. Some children are riding bicycles. Some families are walking together. Everyone looks happy. I meet my best friend. We talk in English. We practice simple sentences. We help each other. Time passes quickly. Soon it becomes dark. I return home. I take a shower. I change my clothes. I sit with my family. We drink hot tea. We talk about our day. My father tells another story. My mother smiles. My little brother falls asleep. I feel thankful. It was a beautiful day. I learned many new things. I spent time with my family. I enjoyed the rainy holiday. Now it is time to sleep. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I say my prayers. I thank God for this wonderful day. I lie down on my bed. I close my eyes. Good night. See you in the next story. Great job. You finished today's lesson. I hope you learned something new. Practice these sentences every day. Speak English with confidence. Keep learning. Keep improving. Don't give up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Spoken English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.